Now we talk about key characteristics and information about the Sun in the Libra house that astrologers often consider. Point 1. Diplomatic and harmonious. The Sun in Libra suggests a person who seeks harmony, balance, and fairness in all areas of life. They have a natural ability to mediate conflicts and find common ground. 2. Social and relationship-oriented. Those with the Sun in Libra enjoy being in the company of others and thrive in social situations. They often prioritize their relationships and strive for equality and partnership. 3. Aesthetic appreciation. People with this placement have a strong appreciation for beauty, art, and aesthetics. They may have a refined sense of style and a desire for a pleasing environment. 4. Fair and just. Individuals with the Sun in Libra have a strong sense of justice and fairness. They value equality and may be drawn to professions that involve law, advocacy, or social justice. 5. Indecisiveness. One challenge for those with the Sun in Libra can be decision-making. They often weigh multiple perspectives and may struggle with making choices, fearing they will upset the balance or harmony. 6. Compromise and cooperation. These individuals have a natural inclination to seek compromise and cooperate with others. They can excel in teamwork and are skilled at finding win-win solutions. 7. Peacemakers. People with the Sun in Libra have a strong desire for peace and may actively work to create a harmonious atmosphere in their relationships and surroundings. 8. Charm and diplomacy. Those with this placement often possess charm, grace, and diplomatic skills. They can navigate social situations with ease and are adept at diffusing conflicts. 9. Relationship-driven success. Success for individuals with the Sun in Libra is often intertwined with their relationships and partnerships. They may achieve their goals through collaboration and cooperation. 10. Strong sense of justice. People with the Sun in Libra have a deep sense of right and wrong. They may become advocates for justice and fairness, using their influence to create positive change. Remember, astrology is a complex subject, and an individual's birth chart contains many other factors that can modify or enhance these characteristics. It is advisable to consult a professional astrologer for a more personalized analysis. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. Whether it's a helpful tutorial, an entertaining vlog, or a thought-provoking discussion, you'll have front-row access to all our future content.